Heartworm prevention is essential for your dog. So heartworms are brought by mosquitoes. I joke in New Jersey there that there's the state bird because the mosquitoes can get pretty exciting around here. Hi, Maddie. But what they do is they look like spaghetti and they go inside the heart and pulmonary arteries, and they can cause heart failure. They can cause a lot of damage and potentially can be fatal. And it is a lot easier if we can prevent that than it is to have to treat the adult worms. The adult worms are a real pain in the you-know-what to have to treat. And it's far more expensive, actually, to treat the adult worms. Plus, it means crate training. It means crating your dog all the time because we worry about them throwing worms into their lungs. So the heartworm prevention, besides treating heartworm, also protects against intestinal parasites for most of the different kinds of heartworm prevention that's out there. So we're talking hookworms, roundworms, whipworms, and occasionally tapeworms, depending on which brand you choose. There is no right answer. Heartworm prevention is a prescription product, okay? So you have to get that from your vet. And I would be careful as far as buying that from an internet pharmacy, because some of the companies will not honor their warranty if it is from a outside source other than your veterinarian. And unfortunately, I have seen that situation. So, and there's pills, there's things you can put on the back of the neck. There's even an injection that lasts for 6 months. There are formulations for cats as well. And you have to give the pills every month. Yes, you do. Because if you skip, you are increasing that risk that that pet is going to get those microfilaria to show. And by microfilaria, these little tiny worms that kind of hang out in the blood. And if I knew how to show you the video I have of microfilaria farting around in blood, you probably wouldn't, you'd want to be giving that heartworm prevention once a month. If you want to give it less frequently, I would talk with your veterinarian about ProHeart, which you give once every 6 months. That doesn't protect against as many intestinal parasites as some of the other brands, but that's an option for you. Cats can get heartworm too, but usually they get one heartworm. They get an adult heartworm, and unfortunately, it's a real bear to treat. So outdoor cats, yep, they need heartworm prevention too. So they can be, we can test for it on a lot of leukemia, FIV vaccines. It's called a SNAP test, if you ever hear that term. It also will show for heartworm. And, there's lots of different formulations for cats too. The easiest is a topical. Revolution is the brand that I prefer because it takes care of pretty much every kind of parasite you can think of. It takes care of heartworm. It takes care of ear mites. It takes care of hookworms, roundworms, whipworms. And I believe the new formulation may even take care of tapes, but I have to double check on that.